If you're looking for something that's going to work with the Apple phone and a case, this product may be right for you. Let's give you a nice close-up look at what you get inside. This is a lightweight case. Please peel the film off. It opens up to a number of levels. 1, 2. It holds a specific product like an air tag. It holds here for a AirPod, and I'm going to demonstrate via the input cable and a power bank charging the unit. If I turn the unit around and I have my frame and it's upside down, it's going to correctly charge the unit. And if I turn it around this particular way, it shows a green light and charging. So this unit does a nice job indeed, charging your phone via a case. It's very simple, very easy to hook up and operate. It is lightweight and it's made for the Apple iPhone and accessories. I hope this product is something that you're looking for to put on your desk, take to work, have something that will charge via the USB port and the cable they give you, and other items that you can plug in, a USB-C output as well as USB output. That's what this has on the back of the unit. I hope you enjoy your product.